on my way vlogging just to update you on what is happening here on Operation Clean Your Frontal. And I just met a subscriber and I just want him to say hello to you guys. So
yes. Hi, my name is Nick from Birmingham.
Okay.
Yeah.
So guys, you can see this place has never been free like this before. It's very difficult for you even to walk on the pavement. It's so difficult. But you know, due to yesterday's exercise initiated by the Greater Accra Minister for the Operation Clean Your Frontal. If you have a shop, you need to clean your front, make sure the place is neat. There shouldn't be any rubbish in front of you. And a lot of people were cleared off the road. I told you Ghana is working, and step by step we'll get there. A lot of people were emotionally blackmailing the minister that if they are sacking them from here, where would they go? A lot of people were complaining. But any initiative that has to occur, some will benefit from it. It will affect others also. But so far as it will be good for the nation, we need to embrace it. Ghana is working. I told you Ghana is developing rapidly, and we are having some good leaders who are trying to push the country to where it's supposed to be. So let's go around and see how the place looks like.
I'm a driver at the blow-up Odona station.
Which is Circle.
Which is Circle, yeah.
It looks like today the environment has changed. What is happening here? It wasn't choked as before.
Because of yesterday, the project that they started, the Operation Clean Your Front. Yeah. So that has helped for the whole area to be. There's a sanity at the area.
Okay. Do you think it is a good initiative?
Well, it is a good initiative. If only they can continue. If only they can continue, then, well, it will help the whole country. You understand? So.
But has it had any impact on you, the drivers?
Well, it has had an impact, but all the same, since it's something that they are doing for the whole nation, then we will accept it like that. So now we have moved to the new station. We are calling the passengers gradually. We know it will take place.
Okay, my final question to you. Previously and now, what would you say?
Previously, when we were at the roadside, things are going better. But now we are inside. Things have a little bit slow. So with time, we know it will be.
But has it changed the environment? How the environment look like?
Yeah. For environment, yeah, it has changed. No, now you can't see anybody on the pavement. You walk freely, unlike formerly. When you are walking, you can hit someone, you can push somebody down. So now, well, it's okay. It's okay.
Wow. Thank you so much. Do you have any final words?
No.
Any advice or something for the people?
Everybody should join what is happening. For that, we will help both of us all in Ghana here.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
All right, so guys, you heard from the driver. He's one of the drivers here, and he has shared his thoughts here. I hope you guys really like anything. Let me know in the comment section. Guys, this is Ghana Commercial Bank. Just right in front of the Ghana Commercial Bank, you can see everybody is gone. Like they've cleared everybody. Behind me, in front of me, the other side, everybody is gone. It's a good initiative, you know. Just that only the stubborn ones are still here. I think there should have been some representatives from AMA to walk around to make sure that people still leave and no one stays here. But it's better than before. We can't get everything. Rome wasn't built in a day. Gradually, we'll get there. I hope you guys really enjoy what you are seeing. Chairman, my name is Nia. What's your name?
My name is Remo.
I'm sure you use this route quite often, right?
Yes, please.
Okay, so looking at what is happening here, what's your impression?
The government has done well, of course, because of the accident and the way, like people don't get space to walk and stuff, and it can cause accidents, many accidents here. So the government has done well. Look at all the places. It's now spaces inside. See, people may not understand, but the government is doing a good work. Because you can't sit here and get an accident and tell government in the area it's good.
Okay.
Get me right.
So do you believe it's a good initiative?
Very, very good initiative. When you go to the abroad, we are really all we have been to years, but when you go to the abroad, you never see somebody selling on the good side. You can be damaged anytime. Get me right.
Yeah.
So this one, because you see how many people work with space, even the coronavirus, it helps to maintain the coronavirus. Get me right. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Alright guys, so on my way vlogging just to update you on what is happening here on Operation Clean Your Frontal, and I just met a subscriber and I just want him to say hello to you guys. So
Yes. Hi, my name is Nick from Birmingham.
Okay.
Yeah, you're doing a good job. Thank you so much. And all for Ghana, for the best.
Wow, thank you so much for your support and love. But what do you think about Ghana so far, since you are...
Well, I would say it's really good to be back home. Yeah, I'm feeling the vibe. Like, it's good to be back home and see how the environment is like. Watching it on YouTube is a different thing. But when you come and you live in the city yourself, you realize what's actually happening and what is being told on CNN and all the...
You mind taking it off?
No, so I don't want to show myself right now.
Okay. But do you think what we are projecting on YouTube matches what you see on the ground when you are here?
Well, it helps a lot. It helps for you to understand what Ghana could be at this moment, right? So once you get here, you kind of understand what you saw and what the reality is like. So, for example, a Ghanaian throwing what is happening on the land, on the Ghana soil, on YouTube is different from what the white people are saying on CNN. You understand? So you kind of get a picture, the perfect picture of what is being told on YouTube by a Ghanaian than the narratives that they're giving on CNN.
Wow.
So that's why I really appreciate watching YouTubers from Ghana than following what's on CNN or maybe any other BBC broadcasting, like stuff like that.
Thank you so much.
So you're doing a good job.
Do you have anything to say to them?
Well, I'll just say hi to all my friends in Birmingham.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm speaking from that's where I live, so that's what I would say. And I would just invite them to come home and see. But Ghana is really good. Ghana is going on. And that's what I would say. Thank you so much.
Wow. I pray you guys can hear what we are saying because it's a little bit loud out here. So you hear it for yourself. I'll take you guys around just to see what is happening. And it's good. When you see me in town, please just call me. It's fun. Yeah, they said you should subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much. All right. So guys, as you can see behind me, all the hawkers, people who sell on the pavements, those umbrellas that were being mounted and everything has been evacuated from this place. See, all courtesy by the Minister of Greater Accra, and you can see live from here, from behind me, all of them. Just that you can see one or two people still sitting here, the stubborn ones who don't want change to happen, and they are still here. do you want to talk? Come, let me interview you. Come, let me ask you a question. What is your name?
Genevieve.
Genevieve. What school do you attend? Reverend Bruce. Do you like what is happening here?
No.
You don't like it? Why?
Because they are selling.
They are selling. Can't you? They've gone. So now the place is free. You don't like it?
You like it?
So that you won't go and hit someone's
yes.
goose down and then they'll ask you to pay.
Yes.
So now do you like what is happening here? Are you sure? All right, okay. Take care.